Hey go hi lovers, in this video we will be discussing about real estate API. Right now we are on the agency level and you can find for real estate API in the app marketplace in the navigation bar. Search down real estate API. As you can see we have already installed it, so we will be heading towards our specific sub account and show you guys how it works. Right now we are on the sub account level, and when you install any app it will be creating a custom menu link in the navigation bar down below. And this is the app. As you can see, this is the interface, and these are the properties. You can just search down your own property or your required kind of properties from the zip code, the city name, or any kind of address you want, and it will be searching as accordingly. You can also add filters from here as well. Let's say we want to search properties in Heisenberg, and we are not adding any kind of filters at the moment. And all the properties available in Heisenberg are available here, as you can see. If you are interested in any kind of property, let's say we are interested in this one, and the beds and baths are not defined at the moment, you can save this contact with the details as well. Let's say we want to save this contact just for testing purpose with the details and submit. Just reload. I have to show you guys that the contact has been saved with the details of the property you want to reach out. Here, just search down, or in the top, as you can see, the contact has been created with the same email. And if the property has defines the bathrooms, the bedrooms, any kind of thing, it will be added in the general information or in the additional information here in here. So hope you like it guys. Thank you so much.